Alright folks, here it is. The long-awaited exhaust clip of the car. Pardon the crappy video and audio, especially the audio. I am still recording on my cell phone. But here we go. And just to clarify, the exhaust setup as of right now, as of what's today's date, I believe, I don't know. It's a Monday. So I don't know. I'll post a date in the description. But it's still the MagnaFlow Cannon muffler that my friend gave me off of his RSX. It was welded on by a local exhaust shop. The resonator I took off myself and put in with a piece of pipe and a couple clamps. I plan on having it welded in, they just weren't open when I wanted to do it. The muffler, in order to get it louder, I did drill out some of the packing material. But other than that, it's stock stage 1 Cobb tune. I have a catless up pipe sitting at my house. I'm waiting on the down pipe. As soon as I get those two items, I'll be going full catless, and we'll get another exhaust clip. But I know everybody's been waiting, so here you go. Thank you for being patient with me. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.